Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Dave Pensado's bass trick. Dave Pensado is a Grammy Award winning mix engineer who has been working with such great musicians as Shakira, Christina Aguilera, Beyonce, Snoop Dogg, Ice Cube and many more. So in our today's video we're gonna be taking a look at Dave Pensado's mixing bass trick. First of all, let's have a listen to our bass DI. To create Dave Pensado's bass trick, we have to duplicate our bass DI. And in Studio One you have to use right click of your mouse, and here you should choose duplicate track complete. And here we have duplicated version of our bass DI. Since our original bass DI track has a lot of low information, on our duplicated bass DI track we're gonna be leaving only high frequency information. And in this case we're gonna be using some EQ. And in my case I'm using Waves Audio REQ. And here we're gonna be cutting low and mid frequencies around 600 Hz. Now let's have a listen to our duplicated bass DI. Since we used low cut filter to cut all lows and mids of our duplicated bass DI, now we have only high frequency information on our duplicated bass DI. Before our EQ, we can use any tape emulation plugin to add some saturation to our duplicated bass DI. After our EQ, we're gonna be using Waves Audio MaxxBass plugin, and we're gonna be using this plugin to create a harmony for our high frequency information on our duplicated bass DI. And finally, to make our general bass sound cut in the mix, we're gonna be adding some highs on our duplicated bass DI. Now, once again, let's have a listen to our original bass DI. And now let's have a listen to our final bass sound. And finally, let's have a listen how our bass sounds in the mix. So, by using this Dave Pensado's bass trick, Now you know how you can make any bass cut in your mix. If you want to learn from Dave Pensado on mixing, you can check out his Pensado's Place YouTube channel. The link will be in the info box of this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.